Let's see this diagram. See, there is nothing special in this diagram, okay? Whatever concepts we have seen so far, that is what is being described in this diagram. But still it is given in some good textbook, so I have taken it. So let's see this. This is our RAM, okay? This is our RAM and it has been divided into frames, as you know. And similarly, our process will also be divided into pages and it will be placed in RAM. Fine. Now our CPU has generated logical address. And as you know, logical address will have two fields. One is page number and another one is page offset. And once it has realized the process which it needs to execute, it will also load the page table base address of this process. For example, we are executing, say, process P1. Okay, CPU is executing process P1. Now what CPU will do is, it should have taken the base address, page table base address of process P1, and let us assume that page table base address of P1 is 200, which means the base, see, this is physical address, right? This page table will also be placed in the frame of RAM, as you know, right? So we have loaded this page table starting from address 200 in the RAM. Just for explaining it, I have taken it separately. Okay, fine. Now using this base address, I will be able to go to the starting address of page table of P1, which is nothing but 200. Now after going into this, I need to index into the page table, right? Which means I need to choose the entry number. For that, what I will do is, I will take the page number field and I will add it, page number field of logical address, and add it to the page table base address, so that I will get the appropriate entry, right? I will get the appropriate entry. Now once I go into the entry, I will get the frame number in which this byte is actually present, right? So once I get the frame number field, what I will do is, I will replace this frame number in place of this page number, right? That is what we do in order to convert logical address into physical address. That is what I have done here. I have taken the frame number field and I have written it here, and I have taken this frame offset field as it is and I have placed it here, right? Now once I join this frame number and frame offset, it is nothing but the physical address. So finally, our logical address has been converted into physical address using the memory management unit, which is nothing but page table, right? This page table, we also say that as memory management unit. Memory management unit. Fine. So once we get the physical address, getting into the appropriate frame and fetching the byte is very easy, right? Using this physical address, we can go into the RAM and get the byte. Which means, using the frame number, I will first go into the appropriate frame. Now after going into the frame, I will use the frame offset field and will pick the appropriate byte within the frame, right? This is what is being given in the diagram. So all these things we have seen it already, right? So just to explain this diagram, I have taken it. Fine.